Hi everyone, Rana Sir is here. How are you dears? Okay dears, welcome to our Rana Sir educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is an arithmetic progression. It is also written in shortcut form, that is AP. Okay student, so you concentrate on this live video from starting to end for developing or updating or improving your knowledge on this topic, and simultaneously you like this live video and also you subscribe this educational channel ID, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friend and students, so that they can also improve that is update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay student, so further I am going to give you some suggestion points, and those suggestion points you follow positively. Okay student, first of all you have to take one pen and notebook, and then you have to see it at your location properly with positively. Okay student, and all information which are spoken by me you have to write on your notebook properly, and also you have to write those informations which are written on the blackboard. Okay student, one additional information I am going to tell you. Due to electric light problem yesterday and a day before yesterday I was not live. Okay student, so sorry for that natural issues. Okay student, now here I am going to explain the theory and also numericals of an arithmetic progression. First of all I am going to explain which are available on the blackboard. Now this is the class 10th mathematics, that is written in English medium, and also it is based on NCERT pattern, that is CBSE board. And here I am explaining the chapter number 5, because chapter number 1 whose name is the real number already I have described, and if you need to know about the real numbers, so you go in my video section, and from there you can learn easily. Okay student, now you need to learn in English medium, so you go in my live video section, and from there you can learn theory and numerical also. And second chapter is whose name is polynomials. I have already explained theory and numericals, and both are available in both medium, that is in Hindi mediums and also in English medium. Okay student, now third chapter I have already explained there, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so Hindi medium and English medium both sections I have prepared theory and also some numericals which are based on that topic. Already I have made its concept and solution and numericals, and I have already uploaded. Now fourth chapter is quadratic equation in Hindi medium I have uploaded. So Hindi medium student and English learn easily. That is one which is existing in UP board, and other are existing in English medium, that is CBSE board. So both students can learn easily. Okay student, now I am going to explain the arithmetic progression, that is chapter number 5. In this case unit term I have already explained with you in previous classes. Now here I am going to explain the concept of sum of an arithmetic progression. So theory already I have explained, that is described, that is already available in my live video section, and you can learn from there. But here I am going to explain the numericals which are based on the arithmetic progression, and we have to calculate the sum of n terms, first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay student, so you concentrate here. Now I am going to start the numerical for solving. Here I will also explain the concept of it. Okay students, so here written find find the sum of 20 terms. So the value of n is given 20. So we have to get the sum of 20 terms of an arithmetic progression. AP is written here, so I will say A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression, in which the value of A, that is first term, is 1 and 20th term is 58. That is given. So there are two methods we have to calculate it. First I will take first term is given, second term I will obtain with the help of first and last term, and then I will get common difference, and then we will use the formula of summation, and then we can obtain its value. Now I am going to write first sum of n. Here I have to write sum of first n, the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is that is written as SN. SN which is equal to n divided by 2, and here I will write 2a plus in the bracket I have to write n minus 1 into d. Okay students, so here I will write. So in the first term n is the number of terms which are given in the question, and d is the common difference. So that common difference is obtained by the subtracting second term minus first term. Subtracting second term and from second term to first term. Okay students, so that is I can write that d can be obtained which is equal to b minus a. Now here I will say this is the d is the common difference. It is written as shortcut for common difference, and d is the second term. Here I have to write second term. B is the second term. Here I have to write second term. Now a is the first term. First term. So this is important formula, and we have to remember. Now this formula, if I will arrange, so I can write like this: 2a in the place of 2a I will segregate like a plus a, and in the bracket I have to write here n minus 1 into b. Now in the this term I also known as Pn, which is equal to an which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. This is the unit term of an AP series. If any series is given, so if I want to get unit term of that AP series, so I will use this formula an which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. And this an is also known as last term. It is also written as an is equal to l. So l is the last term and an is also last term. So both values are same. In other words, we can say that both values are same. Okay. In other words, I will write here. So n divided by 2. Here I have to write here n divided by 2 in the bracket. Here a is written, but in the place of a plus n minus 2, a plus n minus 1 into b, I can write a. So here I will write simply a. A is the last term. So this is the formula, and each and every student has to remember it. If first term and last term are given, first and last term are given, so we will use this formula for getting the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So student has to remember these two formulas, and these two formulas are important for arithmetic progression. If you want to get sum of n terms, so I can use this formula. In particular, if anyone will say you have to add from 1, 2, 3 up to 100, so I will say this sum can be obtained by the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula, and this formula student will use here. After using, student will get its solution. Okay student, after solving this, I will explain how we will get the sum of first 200 term, what will be its sum? It will be very easy. Okay, student, now first I am going to solve this question. After solving, then I will take the sum of from 1 to 100. Sum of 1 to 100. So here first term is given, the value of first term, that is a equal to 1, and last term, that is last term here 20, n is equal to 20 is given, 20 terms is given. So I will say, so these two formula student has to remember clearly. Okay, student. So without this formula, student cannot solve any question. So student have to remember it, because this formula can be used for sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. If first and last term is given, so this formula you have to use. If first term, common difference, and number of terms are given, so you have to use this formula for getting sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, student, if you have any confusion, so you write information in comment section, and I will see that comment. After looking that comment, I will positively reply the answer of your comment. Okay, student, and if you are getting good knowledge, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends, and students, so that they can also improve, that is update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay, student, now further I am going to erase this, and after erasing I will solve the written question. Okay, student, so this formula I have to use. So here first of all I have to write here solution. Here I will write solution. After writing solution, I will write here given that. Given that. What is given? First term, value of a is given 1, and 20 term. 20 term. Whose value is given 58. Okay, student. So from here I will say value of n is equal to 20. So this formula I will apply for getting the sum of first from 1 to 20 of the given information. Okay, students, so further I will use it. Now I will say this is the equation number 1. Yeah, here I will write, we know that. We know that. So given that value of a is given 1 and 20 term given 58, and from here I will take the value of n, which is 20. Now we know that n is equal to n divided by 2, a plus n minus a plus a plus an. So value of a is first term, and an is the last term. Its value is given here 58. So I will substitute. Now I will write one information, and that information will be such that, right? So this information later I will explain in detail. Now here I am going to one information, putting the value of a, n, and n. In equation 1 we give. So here I will substitute the value of an, a, and an also, and after substituting we will get its value. So further I am going to substitute here. So I have to write yes, and in the place of n is given 20, so I will write it 20. Now here it is equal to, so I have written it equal to. Now in the place of n I have to write 20. So here I have to write 20 divided by 2. Now in the bracket I have to write a. The value of a is given 1, so here I have to substitute 1. But in the place of an, I will substitute here a 20. So the value of a 20. So in other words, here I can see that this is the a 20. A20 which is equal to 58. Okay, student, for that indicate in general form, so here I am writing it in particular form so you can easily understand. A20 means the value of A is 20. So A20 is equal to 58. That is given here, so I have to substitute here. After substituting, I will simplify. After simplifying, I will take the value of S20. That is the sum of 20 terms which is started from 1 to 20. Okay, student. Now for the here I am going to erase. After erasing, after simplifying, I will see the what is the value of S20. Okay, student. So for the you concentrate on this video. So here same data I am going to put here. S20 which is equal to 20 divided by 2. Now in the bracket I have to write 1 plus A20. So value of A20 is given. Now here I divide 2 on the 2 10 20. So 10 here I will write 1 plus in the place of A20 that is written here 58. So I will get 58. So I will simplify 10 into. So 58 plus 1 that will be 59, and I will multiply 15 into 59 that will be 590. Okay, student, and in the left hand side that is coming S20. This is the sum of first 20 terms, the value of first 20 terms. So I will say this is the answer of the given question which is written on the blackboard. So according to this way, I will get the solution of the given question. Okay, student. So the student has to remember two formula, and both formulas are important because if given terms are not given, so you have to calculate the common difference. First term is given, and you have to find out the value of AI. After finding, so you have to put all data in the formula, and after putting formula, you have to simplify. After simplifying, you will find the result. So that result will be your destination of the given question. So according to this way, you can solve any question which are related to sum of first term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, student. So there are two formula. You have to remember both formula. I have written here in detail, and you can easily obtain. Okay, student. Now one question I have talking to you. That question was like this: you have to find the sum of from 1 to 100 terms. What will be its answer? So that is very easy, and same formula you will use after getting its value. So you have to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to, you have to say 100 terms. So its sum will be yes 100. Yes 100. I am going to write further yes n which is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Here you have to put the value of n, that is 100. So yes 100 is equal to 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101 divided by 2. You will divide it to 5 that 10, that will be 50. So you will say 1 0 will be there, 5 will be 5, again you will write 0, and then you will write 5. So yes 100, the value of yes 100 will be 5050. Its value will be 5050. Yes, so if you will remember formula, so that will be very easy to solve any question. Okay, student. Otherwise, you will generate the formula. After generating the formula, that is after proving the formula, after getting the proof of that formula, and then you will simplify the question. So there will be long time duration. That is, in other words, we can say that time slot will be big. So you need to reduce time slot. So you have to remember the formula. After remembering the formula, you will solve the given question very easily. Okay, student. So this is also important, and you can use. because here common difference is 1. Here common difference is 1 because you will apply the formula as n is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into a. Here you will get the common difference 1, and that formula you simplify, so you will get this one. So this formula is applicable when the common difference will be same, that is arithmetic progression. Okay student, so this question I have solved. If you have any doubt, so you ask with comment and I will see your comment positively. I will reply. And which topic you are getting very well, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this education channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Okay student, now I am going to solve another question which is based on this topic. Topic name is sum of first year terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay student, now I am going to take another question from the textbook. After writing it, so I will solve. Okay student, now first of all I am going to erase it. After erasing, I will read its solution. Okay student, if you have any queries, so you ask and I will see your comment and then I will reply. Dr. Salah, your comment I will reply positively. Now next question I am going to also solve. Now here find the sum of that. Now I am going to write. This is the question number 2. Find the sum of first 24th term. Find the sum of first 24th terms of an arithmetic progression whose nth term is given by nth term is given by the formula that formula A is equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. So this unit term is given and we have to get the sum of the first 24th term. So this is the question and we have to find sum of first 24th term. We have to find sum of first 24th term of an arithmetic progression whose unit term is given by the formula an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Okay student, so this is very easy and student has to get sum of unit term because student, each and every students are knowing Sn is equal to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Because students are knowing this formula, so student has to get the value of n. So value of n is also given, that is 24. first term you have to get, so you have to put the value of n which is equal to 1. So nth term is given n is equal to 3 plus 2n, that is given. So student has to put the value of n which is equal to 1. When student will put in the place of n 1, so after putting, student will get its value 2 into 1. So after simplifying, 3 plus 2, that will be 5, that will be 5. So student has to get also the value of d, so that common difference can be obtained. So student has to put n is equal to 2. After putting n is equal to 2, then student has to get value of a2, that will be 3 plus 2 into 2. Again student will write here, student will write here 3 plus 2 to the 4, that will be 7. Now student will get common difference. That common difference is written as b is equal to b minus a. So student will write the value of 3 which is equal to 7 minus 5. Its value will be 2. It means that common difference 2. So the value of n is of n, value of n is also I know, value of a I also know. So all the value of n, a, d I will substitute in this formula. After substituting, we will get the sum of first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression, and that arithmetic progression has the nth term, and that nth term, in that nth term I will get the sum of first 24 terms, and that nth term is already existing in arithmetic progression, that is the ABCD. Okay student, now this is the way, these are the information we have to get from the nth term, and then we will use this formula, and in this formula I will substitute the value of n, a and d. After substituting, I will get its value, and that value will be the sum of first 24 terms of an arithmetic progression, and that arithmetic progression has the nth term. Okay student, so this is the way, and I will follow this procedure, and then I will solve it. Okay student, now further I am going to solve step by step. Okay student, now first of all here I have to write solution. So here I have to write solution, and then in this solution I will say, now these are the way I have to calculate, but according to systematically I have to write here. So here I will say given that so an, the value of an is given 3 plus 2n, 3 plus 2n. Now here I have to put the value of n which is equal to 1. So in the place of, I will say this is the equation number 1. In equation number 1 I will put the n is equal to 1. So after putting, I will say a1 which is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1. So I will say 3 plus 2 under 2, it will be 5. So value of a1 is 5. Now when I will put n is equal to 2, so I will say here a2. Now here I will put 3 plus, here I have to write 3 into, in the place of n I have to put there 2. So I will write there 3 plus 2 to the 4. So I will say 3 plus 4, that will be 7. Okay student, now common difference I have obtained by the formula, that is, and that common difference is written by t, that is b minus a. In the place of b I have to write a2. In the place of a, that is the first term, that is first term is a1. Okay student, now further I have to substitute the value of a1 and a2 also in the formula. The value of a2 is 7, so here I have to write 7. The value of a1 is 5, so here I have to write 5. So after subtracting 7 minus 5, that will be 2, and these two value will be common difference. Okay student, further I will say I have to get for sum of n term. So here I will say the sum of first. We know that here I will write we know that sum of first nth term of an arithmetic progression is. Here I will write that is written by Sn is equal to n divided by 2. Here I have to write divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2a plus in the bracket n minus 1 into d. Okay student, so this is the formula for getting sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. That is written as Sn is equal to n divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay student, so you concentrate here. This is totally free online coaching classes, and each and every student has to attend 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay student, or 15 minutes past 8 p.m. So during this time slot, each and every day student has to participate, and student has to take this free online coaching advantage of this free online coaching classes. Okay student, if you are getting any confusion, so you comment and I will resolve your issue. Okay student, positively. So here I am saying positively because each and every information has different meaning, so you have to take positively. So I am teaching mathematics, so you have to take positive sense in mathematics. Okay student, so here I am saying we know that sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, that is written by the formula Sn, which is equal to n divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So value of a I have already obtained here, and the value of d I have obtained here, and the value of n is given because here we have to find sum of first 24th term. So I will say the value of n is also given in 24. Okay student, so I will say putting the value of, I will say this is the equation number 1. I will say this is the equation number 1. So I will say one information, putting the value of a1, putting the value a1 is stands for a, putting the value of a and b in equation 1 and get b. Okay student, for the above data I am going to use for the calculation. Okay student, now I will say putting the value of a, the value of a is below 5, so I will put there 5. Here I will write one statement, and that statement will be such that putting the value of a comma n and b in equation 1 we get. Here I am putting comma b get. Okay student, so for the below data I am going to erase because after erasing I will solve the question. So this is the equation number 1. Here I will put in the place of n 24 is available, so I will put here 24, which is equal to 24 divided by 2, because here formula is available n divided by 24, so in the place of n is written 24. In the bracket I write 2 into the value of a, the value of a is already here to 5 plus here the value of n I will put 1, so 2 plus 3 that will be 5. So I will write there 5 plus In the place of n, I have to put here 24 minus 1, and in the place of b, so I will take, after subtracting, I have got the value of b, that is 2. So I will put there the value of 2. Now further I am going to erase the letter. After erasing the letter, I will get the value of sum of first 24 terms. Here I put in yes. I will say 2 on the 2, 2 on the 2, 2 on the 4, that will be 12. In the bracket I have to the 10 plus. Here I will say for minus 1, that will be 3, 23 into 2. Okay, students, further I will simplify. Here I have to write 12 into, here I will say 10 plus 3 to the 6 to the 4. So here I will simplify again. Here 12 remain, here I will say 6 plus 0, 6 and 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, student, so yes, 24 is written here. Now I have to take this multiplication, 5 into 6, and here 12 I will multiply. So 6 to the 12, carry 1, 5 to the 10, 11, 6 on the 6, 5 on the 5. So here I will write 2, 7, and this will be 6. Okay, so further I will say yes 24, yes 24, which is equal to I have got its value 6, 7, 2. So this is the sum of first 24 terms of an arithmetic progression. So I will say this is the answer. This is the answer of the given question. Okay, student. So according to this way, you can solve any question which are related to sum of first m term of an arithmetic progression. In this case, you have to remember only two formula for getting sum of first term of an arithmetic progression. First formula I have already explained with you, that is SN is equal to n by 2. In the bracket you have to write 2a plus n minus 1 into k, and second formula if last term is given, that is the nth term is given. In this case you have to write SN is equal to n divided by 2. In the bracket you have to write first term plus last term, that is first term a plus last term is an. So these two formula you have to remember, because if you will remember, so you will save your time interval. So you will save your time and you will solve another question in that time interval. Okay, student. So each and every student has to remember. Otherwise, you will put the formula, after proving the formula, and then you will solve the question. So you will take too much time for solving a particular question. Okay, student. Therefore, each topic is always related to another topic, means previous topic is depend on next topic. So you follow this concept and then your solution will be very easy. Okay, student. So always you concentrate and always you concentrate on the live video, because each and every concept you will read easily and you will solve each and every question very easily. Okay, student. And if you will have any problems, so those issues are those queries here, those requirement you have to write in comment section, and then I will see your comment and then I will reply the solution of your comment positively. Okay, student. Now further I am going to solve another question, and if you have any doubt, so you will explain where you are getting confusion, so I will resolve that confusion. Because in this question we have to find sum of 24 terms of an arithmetic progression. It means that here unit term is given and this unit term is already existing in arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, this unit term is existing in arithmetic progression. So I will take first term second term, and then with the help of first and second term I will get the common difference of this arithmetic progression and first term is available. So here positive term is already given, so n, the value of n is available. So I will use the formula, and after using the formula I will get the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is also written in shortcut form AP. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. Okay student, now further I am going to erase this one and I will take another question, and then I will solve the solution which is based on this topic. Okay student, so next question I am going to take from the textbook. Okay student, so you concentrate here. So now I am going to erase solution and question of solution and its question, and then I will give the solution. Okay student, if you need add any issue to me, and add your issue in the comment section, and then after looking your issue positively I will reply. Okay student, now further I am going to write question number 3 which is based on this topic. This is the question number 3 and that question is based on this topic. Now here I will say find the sum of, next question is that find the sum of first 40 terms of an arithmetic progression whose linear terms is equal to 7n minus 2. Okay students, so this is the question and we have to solve. We have to get sum of 40 terms of an arithmetic progression. So here question is given as find the sum of first 20 terms. First, here I have to find first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression whose nth term is given by the formula an is equal to 7n minus 2. Okay student, so I will use same concept. After using same concept I will also solve this question, and that this question is also based on the previous formula. So first of all I will say given that. So here I will write information that is given that, and given that is information which is equal to 7n minus 2. Okay. 7n minus 2 that is negative. Now I will find the value of common difference, so I will put n is equal to n. When I will put the value of n in, I will say here this is the equation number 1. Here I will say putting the value n is equal to 1 in the equation 1. After putting, so I write this value an In the place of 1, here I have 1. So here is equal to 7 into 1 minus 2. So I will simplify 7 minus 1, that is 7 into 1, that will be 7 minus 2, that will be 5. So here I will say first term is 5. Again I will put the value of n which is equal to 2. So here I will write 2 which is equal to 7 into 2 minus 2. So here I will say 7 to the 14 minus 2. Here I will say I will get its value will be 12. Now I will take the common difference of this arithmetic progression because this is the unit term of an arithmetic progression. So I will write here b is equal to b minus a. This is the formula. In the place of b in the second term, in the place of second term, here we get a2. So I will write here a2. In the place of a1, we get a1. So I will put its value. After putting its value, I will find its value, that is a2, which is equal to 12 minus a1 is 5. So 12 minus 5, I will say 7. So common difference I have obtained. So I will say this is the first term and this is the common difference, and the value of n is given. Value of n is given. I will say the value of n is given 40. So we have to find the sum of 40 terms of an arithmetic progression. So I will say we know that the general formula an is equal to Sn is equal to an by 2. I will write in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here I will write one statement, that each statement will be such that. So sum of so we know that. Here I will write statement we know that. Here I will say Sn is equal to n divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write a plus n minus 1 into d. Here I have written. Okay, student. Sn is equal to, here I have to write Sn. So clearly I will write. So any student will not get any confusion. This is very easy. Sn is equal to n by 2. In the bracket I have written here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because the value of n is given here, the value of a is also given here, the value of d is also given here. So I will write one statement. That statement will be such that putting the value of m, a and d in equation. I will say this is the equation number 1. In equation 1, and then we get. Okay, students, so this information I will write here because statement is very important for each and every student has to write a statement, and that the concept of that student has to use the equation. So here I will write putting the value of an, a and b in equation 1 we get. Okay, student. So the value of a and b I am going to say here because it is important, because I have to write it. The value of n is 40, the value of a is 5, and the value of a is 5, and common difference is the value of common difference, that is b is 7. So below that I am going to review because requirement data for which are necessary I have said below. Okay, student. Now here I am going to write equation number 1 Sn which is equal to n divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2a plus en minus 1 into d. Now this is the equation number 1. I have assumed that. Now I have to put the value of n, a and d. So the value of n is 40. So here I have to write 40 divided by 2. Now in the place of 2 into a, the value of a given in the question, that is 5. So I will put there 5, and the value of n is also 40 minus 1, and then I will put the value of d is 7. Okay students, so further I will simplify it. After simplify, I will get a value, and that value will be the answer of this question. Now further I am going to simplify it here. So I will say this is 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4, that is 20. So 20 in the bracket, I will say 5 to the 10, to 10, and here I will say 40 minus 1, that will be 39 into 7. Okay students, further I will simplify it. So first I am going to simplify it in 39. Here I have to write 39 into 7, so I will multiply here. 9 7 63, so 3 will be here, 76 will be carried. 7 3 are 21, and 21 plus 6, 27. So here I will write 20 plus in the bracket, I have to write 10 plus 273. Okay students, so further I will also simplify. After simplify, I will write. Now here I can write here yes 40. Here the value of yes 40 will be this one. Now I am going to summarize it. After summarizing, I will say yes 24, which is equal to 20 in the bracket. I have to write I will add 273 plus 10, that will be 283. 283. So I will simplify it. So 0 is equal to 3 to the 6. 8 to the 16, 1 to 2 the 4, 1 5. So I will say 5660. So yes 24, which is equal to yes 24, which is equal to 500 660. So this is the answer of the given question. Okay student, so according to this way I can solve any question which is based on sum of first n term of an arithmetic progression. So and again I am going to explain the concept of arithmetic progression. If first term, in other words we can say that if the given sequence is the a list of numbers which are available in arithmetic progression, and then we will get each next term by adding a fixed number, and that fixed number is called the common difference of arithmetic progression, and that arithmetic progression can be written, the sum of that arithmetic progression can be written by the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 equal to, where n is the number of terms of an arithmetic progression, a is the first one, and d is the common difference, and that common difference is obtained by the formula b minus a. In other words, we can say that b minus a, that is second term minus first term. Okay student, so that formula I will use, and after using I will simplify the question solution of the question. I will simplify the expression, and after simplifying the expression we will get the answer, that will be the answer of the given question. So according to this way I will solve it. Okay student, if you are getting good knowledge on this topic, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge, that they can also improve that is update or develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay student, and always I will be online 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. always. Due to light electric problem, yesterday and day before yesterday I was not online. Okay, student. So this is sorry for that issue, and that is the natural. Those are the natural issues. Okay, student. Now here I am going to concentrate on this topic. If you are knowing how to calculate the sum of unit terms, so you can use these informations very. These are the informations, and these informations you have to know positively. And if you have any doubts, so you comment, and I will see your comment, and positively I will reply. Okay, student. So thank you for watching and concentrating on this live video, and also writing information which are necessary for you, and also you always attend this class, because each and every chapter belongs to another chapter, that is each and every topic belongs to next topic. If previous topic you will know very well, so next topic you can learn easily. Okay, student. So each term is dependent, so you have to follow this concept, because each subject, this concept is in each and every subject, so you have to follow, because presentation is very important. Because if you will present, so one day, after second day, after third day, you will look very good way. Okay, student. So this is the way to learn each and every subject easily. Okay, student. So thank you for watching this live video. Okay, Jai Hind.